Hi everyone and welcome. Here's the question from Med Studies book, but is a background knowledge in preparation for Maths Methods Year 12. So the question here says a person, so I'm just going to use this, a person wishes to travel from a point B in the desert to X. So from point B here to X, and this is desert, and then and this X is on the road AC. So if it's possible to travel at 3 kilometers per hour in desert, so I'm just gonna put here number 3 in desert, and 8 kilometers per hour along the road. I'm just going to change the color along the road. It's going to be here, and it says 8 kilometers per hour. So we have to find the formula for the total time taken to travel from B to X. So to travel from B to X in terms of X's. Total time taken to travel from B to X to C. So we need total time taken. So I'm going to just write here total time from BX plus XC equal question mark. Okay, so and it says in terms of X's, where X is the distance from A to X, as we can see here from capital X. So I'm gonna use different color. So here, so A capital X, the distance is equal to small x. Now, in order to find the total time travel, so we have to know the formulas, of course, and how to find the total time traveled. So time is equal distance divided by speed. So we have realized that speed is given. So we have 3 kilometers per hour in desert and 8 kilometers per hour along the road. However, distance is not given. So what we have to do first, we have to find distance and then find the total time. So that is going to travel from B to X and then to C. Let's focus on BX first. Let me see what colors I have. Okay, let's go with blue. Okay, I'm going to put here distance BX. Now, I'm quite positive that you can realize or see that this BX is across the right angle triangle, so which we call hypotenuse, and we can use Pythagoras to find the unknown sides. So in this case, if we want to find the length of BX, it's pretty much equal to square root of the sum of the other two sides to the power of 2. Is like 5 to the power of 2 plus x to the power of 2. I'm just going to put here on this side somewhere, quickly Pythagoras if you need to. I'm going to have like standard ABC, so that Pythagoras used to use, but you can use any letters or notation. So from here, so you have that on the side there. I'm going to simplify this one here a little bit. So it's going to give us 25 plus x to the power of 2. So we do have bx, so we have that distance. So let's highlight here. So we have bx. Now we need to find xc, distance xc. And distance, again, distance xc. So let's have a look at the picture. So what do we have here? We have the all distance from A to C is 10. From A to X is x, but we don't have from X to C. So, but we do know gonna have here, yep. So this is 10, and if I take away x from 10, then this bit here, okay, this bit here, it's gonna be 10 take away x. So therefore, the length of xc is equal to 10 take away x. Now, we have distance. The next step is to find the time. So the total time. Time is equal to, now we need distance divided by speed. So if we look at distance bx, which is bx is this one here. So we're gonna have 25 plus x to the power of 2 squared. And we do know, because they are traveling in the desert, that the speed is 3 kilometers per hour. So we're going to divide that by 3. And then plus, because the total distance, plus the other distance, which is 10 take away x, and then divided by 8, because that is the speed, isn't it? Okay. So, and then you put units on the end, hours, and that would be all for this question. So total distance, I'm just going to add here just in case. Total distance is equal to bx plus xc. Okay, so that would be all for this question, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.